This is how you can achieve this yummy, crispy, milky chin chin at home without having any machine. All you need is do is just to get the ingredients ready and you're good to go. If you get this mixture very well, you do not need to sprinkle flour. I'm telling you, and it will not stick. You can see it's not sticking on my rolling pin and it's not even sticking on the flat surface. So here we have the egg. We're just using 3 eggs, 1 evaporated milk, 3 nutmeg, and your flavor. You depends on the flavor you want. 500 grams of butter and 2 tablespoons of baking powder with your pint of flour. And we're using 600 grams of sugar. If you're not a sugar type, you can reduce the sugar to 5 or 400 grams. You could open your margarine either with scissors or knife. So I'm just showing you the 2 options. If you don't have scissors, you can use your knife. Grate your nutmeg in your bowl. Mix all the powders together. Put in your sugar, put in your baking powder and your grated nutmeg. I forgot to add my nutmeg here, but I'm going to add it later. All your powders, put them together. Before you add your margarine, then you mix until the color turns yellow and you cannot see your margarine again. Everything will be mixed together. Guys, this is where the process is. So if you have a mixer, this is it. So I'm giving you an option, either the mixer or your hand. All right, without the mixer, you just use your hand and do it thoroughly. But if you have a mixer, it's less stressful for you. When you're done mixing it properly, you can see how it is. So I'm adding my nutmeg now because I forgot to add it when I was adding all the powders together. Mix this thoroughly until you're not seeing any lumpy margarine. We'll be getting a little quantity of water. I'll be indicating the quantity in the caption. Then mix all your liquids together. The eggs, evaporated milk, your vanilla flavor, whichever flavor you prefer. If you want milky flavor, your vanilla flavor, mix everything together. Then pour inside your mixed flour. I will be doing the water part by part, so we don't over add water. Add a little quantity of your water and mix. Keep kneading. This time around, you're kneading it. You're kneading it for the mixture to come together. Now you'll be adding your water little by little while you knead. You can see the kneading is almost ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is to roll out the chin chin and start cutting. If you get this mixture very well, you do not need to sprinkle flour. I'm telling you, and it will not stick. You can see it's not sticking on my rolling pin and it's not even sticking on the flat surface. You just roll and start cutting to your desired shape. When you're done cutting, you take it out and roll the second one. Heat your oil till it's very hot before adding your chin chin. So what I used to do is when it's hot, I put a sample of the chin chin, just few, to be sure that my oil is hot before I start putting everything. Make sure your chin chin is not so much in the oil. Once the chin chin is ready, the bubbles will not be much on the surface of the oil again. So you can see there's less bubble. I always prefer my chin chin golden brown. This is how I want my chin chin. So my chin chin is ready. You take it out. Look at this chin chin. This is so milky and crispy. It's not even strong, so your toddlers can take it. Bestie, if you want to start selling chin chin and you don't know how to go about with the measurement, this measurement is perfect for commercial purposes. If you're a beginner, use exactly this measurement and you thank me later. Bestie, I need to warn you, once any member of your family tastes this chin chin, hey, you are in soup. You will keep making it for them, for your kids, for your hobby, for your friends. You just keep making over and over again. This is very, very yummy. Like, if you're using it for snacks, you might even finish a full container before the whole day because you'll be so addicted. I need to let you know that on time. If you make this chin chin properly, it can last as long as 2 months. After frying, you spread it in a tray, let it cool off before you put it in an airtight container. That is very important. I hope this was helpful, bestie. Please do not forget to like, comment and share. Till we meet again, it's your very own girl, Vivian.